Hi friends, welcome to Nandi Vlogs. I'm Nandini. Do you like to have a healthy, nutrition-rich laddu? Then here is a recipe for you, that is ragi laddu. This is well-known traditional recipe. To prepare this laddu, first take ragi, wash it and dry it completely, then make a powder out of it. Ingredients required for this recipe are ragi flour. I have taken 1½ cup for this recipe, 1 cup of jaggery powder, cashew nuts, almonds, raisins and ghee. Take a pan, add 2 spoons of ghee, add 1½ cup of ragi flour, roast this in a low flame. Ragi comes under Trunadhanya in Ayurveda. Ragi is wholesome diet for postmenopausal women. It is helpful in high cholesterol, blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Ragi is good source of minerals such as calcium, iron, niacin, thiamine and riboflavin. It is a powerhouse of health, I can say. You'll get nice aroma while roasting this ragi flour. This is done, roasted well. I'll transfer it into a bowl. Ragi is low in fat and good source of protein. So take a small pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, add cashews and roast it till it's golden brown. Regular consumption of ragi promotes optimum weight, controls blood sugar and promotes sound mind. Roast it in medium flame. Now it's done. I'll transfer it into a bowl. Now add raisins and roast it quickly. Yeah, it's done. I'll take this into a bowl. Now I'll switch off the flame and add almonds and roast it quickly. Take a pan, add ½ cup of water, then add 1 cup of jaggery powder. If you want it to be more sweet, then you can add extra ½ cup of jaggery. This jaggery should melt completely. Although it is high in carbohydrates, ragi takes a while to digest, slowing the absorption of carbohydrates in it. Hence, it is useful in weight loss and diabetes. It has very low glycemic index and it is gluten free. Now you can see it is all melted. Switch off the flame. Add roasted ragi flour, roasted dry fruits and mix well. It is natural relaxant that helps in relieving stress and anxiety, depression, migraine and insomnia. Mix well without lumps. When it is warm, you should make laddus, else you will not be able to make. Mix it properly without any lumps. Ragi is rich in fiber, so it helps in proper digestion. Ragi lowers the bad cholesterol. It has high amount of antioxidants, helps in reverting skin aging. It promotes hair growth. I will add 1 tablespoon of ghee. It is rich in protein, so it is highly recommended for people suffering from hair loss. Ragi is great source of nutrition for new mothers as it helps in improving hemoglobin and improves lactation. Mix well completely. This mixture should be warm, and now you can make these laddus easily. Give it a shape. You can have 1 or 2 laddus in a day in a snack time or after the meal. Definitely you'll like this recipe. This is highly healthy. Now our ragi laddu recipe is ready. So you can taste these laddus. Do give it a try. I hope you found this recipe useful. Let me know your feedback in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to Nandi Vlogs. Thanks for watching. Bye.